In this lesson number 2, which is an introductory lesson to the course, we're talking about the power of why. Have you heard of Simon Sinek? He has a book called Start With Why, and he also has a video on YouTube, which is a TED Talk that he did years ago called The Power of Why. That video changed my life and made me understand the importance of knowing my why and also understanding other people's why. So one of my questions for you is, what inspired you to take this course? What is your mission? What is your vision? And what is your why? I hope that one day we can meet either here in Vietnam or somewhere in the world, and we can share in each other's mission, vision, and why, and help each other grow. My mission is to introduce Vietnamese factories to the world, and my vision is to be known as the best ambassador for Vietnam manufacturing. My why is I like working with honest and hardworking people who have a useful product that they want to manufacture in Vietnam to grow their business. I also feel happy supporting responsible Vietnamese factories manufacture for overseas clients because Vietnam has given me a lot and I want to give back. Why did I make this course? Because I want to share my knowledge and experience with people around the world who are interested in making merch in Vietnam and possibly have the opportunity to be your partner on the ground here in Vietnam. I can produce your merch for you so that you can focus on what you do best, which is creating content for your fans. In the next lesson, which will be the first lesson of the course, we're going to talk about 7 rookie mistakes to avoid. See you in the next lesson.